So now that I have my video file complete and it is done, I now can share my video. So in order to do that, I will need to select File. I will scroll down to Share, mouse over to Master File. The newer Macs and the newer Final Cut Pros will have Export File. So I'll select this one. Once I do, I just need to go back to my settings. I want to change the format. It will always begin in video audio. You want to change that computer. So once again, to change so you're not creating large files, it makes it easier to share and upload once you do that, and it'll take less time to upload. So after you do that, you will hit next. Choose where you want to save your file. I'm going to hit save here. And that'll be it for sharing your video. Once you finish sharing, you will then need to upload to YouTube.